Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a sneak peek, but it's also a bring back of something old. So the mini Curvy Keepsake came out last Christmas and everybody loved it and went for it big time. We do have another little treat carrier thingy in the new catalogue, but I loved this one and I thought let's bring it back while doing a sneak peek. So the paper I'm using is called, bear with me, I'm trying not to show you the catalogue. It's called Plaid Tidings, or Plaid, or Tartan. However you want to say it, Tartan Tidings, I think we ought to call it. But it's using that, and then the detailing I've got on the front is from the new Gilded Autumn suite. Now, the stamp and punch bundle has thrown a lot of people because they've looked at it and gone, oh, how much for punches? £36. Now, you're used to a punch pack being 3 or 4 of this size, and it's about £22–23. These are not that size. They are this size. So your punch pack, I'm tipping it so you can see them, your punch pack is considerably bigger. So we're used to the little mini one. So this is the comparable size of the Small Blooms punch, which we was Celebration and has carried over. So that's the size. So I wanted to show that. So it was a great opportunity. Right, let's choose some paper. So I went very autumnal. I need to swing that round because, you know, I got the length a little bit wrong and he keeps wanting to fall over. So the paper, it's 48 sheets. Let me check this. 48 sheets, 4 each of 12 double-sided designs. So we've got lots going on. You know, loads of papers, loads of patterns. It's gorgeous. Really lovely. And let me just shift through. And yeah, all tartan designs. Just charming. You know, that's pyjamas, shirts, you know, there's all sorts going on in the patterns. That's obviously the one I used before, so I'll know not to use that one. I kind of got it in my head which one I think I fancy using, although I may change that mind. My mind. That I think was the one. I don't know, but I like the black and white. Oh, now I don't know. Oh, no, that was that one actually. That one was the one I fancied. So yeah, 6x6 and our mini Curvy Keepsake. If you didn't get it last year or you haven't bought it, it's brilliant. No gluing or cutting required. So it's got a few extra dies with it so you can create your own tags, and that's a snowflake one there because it came out in autumn winter. So let me just pop that back in and you can just poke the bits out. Do you know what? I actually think that is really old paper from last year. Okay. So I've got my magnetic platform cutting plate and my paper, and they fit perfectly. Look, I've got a bit more stuck in that side as well. Shouldn't make a difference. You don't have to poke out each time, but you know, you kind of would eventually want to. Right, so that's fitting on there absolutely perfectly. So send it through. And it puts in the score lines at the same time as cutting, which is just, you know, jolly good. That's what we need. You don't want to have to do extra levels. Okay. So I doubt you're seeing it, but there are score lines here and here, and also on the little handle as well. Like I say, you're probably not seeing it. So just gently bend. And then bend this one backwards. And I will give you a tip, which I discovered last year. With a bone folder, just give it a little curl. Not too much, but just a little curl. Otherwise it doesn't want to, you know, it's just like, no, I'm not curling. I'm going to bend and collapse. And it's very simple. You get the two handles, so you didn't see that, the two handles together, and you just slide the slot over the top. And that's your little mini Is it Mini Curvy's Keepsake? Yes, Mini Curvy Keepsake. Brilliant. We did have a big one, and it used 2 pieces of paper or cardstock, and people just were like, "No, I don't want to do that." Okay, let's get a scrap of whisper. Hello, you back again. Okay, so the beautiful autumn stamp set is the one that's got the... Just go underneath the cat to get the punches. It's got the stamps to match the punches. And what colours do I fancy with this one? So I'm guessing that's cinnamon cider. I'll turn it over, it'll tell me all of the colours. Oh, it's not cinnamon cider. Pumpkin pie, I'll have that one, and I might go cherry Cajun craze. Let's just do that. So I want my leaf, and you've got the outsides and you've got the inside if you want to do 2-step stamping. I don't. I just do today. I'm gonna go Wink of Stella, I think. Okay, so I want a brownier one for the acorn. So that was the cinnamon cider. I'm going to go Cajun craze for the oak leaf. And I'm looking at my punches underneath the cat's bottom to see which way up they are for when I punch them out. And then pumpkin pie for the leaf that I don't know the name of, because, you know, I don't have green fingers and I'm horticulturally challenged. So I'm just going to grab my Wink of Stella just to move the colour around a little bit, because glitter. And why would you not want glitter? I do love autumn. I love autumn when it's dry and crunchy underfoot. So here's my punches, and like I say, they are not these little diddy mini ones that we've had in the past. And I have to confess, when I saw the total, I was like, oh, that's a lot of money for little ones. Is that a typo? They're not little. They're big. Or small, but not tiny, is the point I'm trying to make. Right, there we go. Okay, let's get some mini dimensionals, because I've only got black mini dimensionals. That's what we're going to use. Okay, back off those. Where did I put it last time? That side. That would make sense, because that's the side that's not going to be affected by opening. And I do have these, but I found that it's a little bit heavy, so I'm not going to put another one on. But these are from, I think these are from Gilded Autumn. They're acorn trinkets, and they are heavy. I mean, they're solid and they're beautiful bronze, but they are heavy, which is why that keeps toppling over. But they're gorgeous. They are gorgeous. So how cute is that? That's really cute. That's simple. That's bringing old, really old, and super new together. I love it. So if you haven't got your Curvy Keepsake, look how easy it is. And actually, yeah, you know what? If you're a super frugal crafter, there's bits around the edges you could do something else with. What? I've no idea. That's going to hit my bin because, you know, filming today. But there's plenty left over. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. And Berry, again, hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.